A little wet, huh? Let's think of what it looks like. It's like perfect hiking weather, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like, you're not going to break a sweat. Well, you are, but you won't know the difference. Oh, boy. Gonna get to hike today. So that's the buncher, huh? Hey, it's day 147, October 7th, and I'm looking at this. I'm heading northbound to Johnson Pond Road. It says 6.7. I got a Ford up here. It's raining. The forecast is for nasty all day long. And I can tell you, I am not motivated in the least. If I could think of a good way to get out of this, I would do it. But I've come too far. So here I go. Now, if you're gonna enjoy my journey today and want to feel like you're a part of it, I recommend taking a cold shower right now. Leaf-covered bog boards on a rainy day, and I took the one most bouncy. Okay, I just got a whiff of the balsam. Maybe it is worthwhile being out here. You know I love the trail I'm on and friends who walk with me. The country that we're passing through is a paradise to see. A haven for my spirit in the homeland my dreams. Okay, I'm at 29.6, and this is the East Branch Lane 2 or shelter. Nice to get out of the rain. Looks like there's a logbook. And there's my view. Okay, I'm at 29.9, and this is the East Branch crossing. See, there's a rope up here. Boy, that's a bad rope. Sometimes people have to ford this. I'm hoping desperately not to have to ford it. Shouldn't be a problem. If there's supposed to be a really slippery black rock in the middle, no, I'll give it the hole if I don't have to. Whoa, okay, that was slippery. Did you see that? My foot got a little wet. Looks like it's easier to get out over here. Oops. Rock and roll. Man, it's parachute cord. Okay, made it. I've been wanting to. I've seen a bunch of these little guys. Hey there. Can I say hi? Okay, I've resorted to hiking under the Appalachian Trail Dome. I wondered what this shot would look like straight up. Too bad there's so much lens over. Hey, this is Mountain View Pond. I'm like 3.5 miles into my hike, and I forgot to look at what mileage it is. This stuff is just lovely. It's just lovely on a rainy day. I'm about to begin my ascent of Little Broadman Peak. Okay, I'm at the view from Mount Broadman. Not quite to the summit, but this is apparently the only view I'm going to have today. Boy, you don't really see the inside of a cloud as pretty as that too often, but there it is. Wonder if there's been some mistake. It looks like the end of the Appalachian Trail might be on Little Mount Boardman. Okay, coming down the north side of Little Broadman Mountain. I've been scooting along pretty good. I thought it might be steep like going up Little Broadman was, but this has been some of the better trail I've been on all day. And it's essentially stopped raining. I could take my umbrella down, but you know, if the sun comes out, I might not want to get a sunburn, so maybe I'll leave it up. Just kidding. Okay, here I am at 2134.5, where I camped last night. And this is Johnson Road. I think that's called, is that Crawford Lake over there? There's my car. But there's no Iceman. I don't know how I'm going to get a hold of him. So I'm driving between the Joe Mary Road and the Katahdin Ironworks Road on this little connector. It's not as good as the big roads, but it's working.
Through the streets of Jerusalem today, not far from the Israeli Prime Minister's home.
Okay, this is the AT crossing at the Katahdin Ironworks Road. What's your trail name?
Oh, God.
Trail magic. Trick magic. magnet.
Chick magnet. Chick.
Where the hell did you come up with that? All right. So, Chick Magnet is not even close.
And by the way, the food here is awesome.
Thank you so very much. You can post that to YouTube anytime you want. I don't know how to turn this freaking thing off.